Here's what moved markets today. Reports of potential ceasefire fragility between regional parties contributed to oil price increases, with Brent crude rising 1.7% and WTI advancing 2.1%. Energy markets responded to uncertainty around the durability of existing diplomatic arrangements. Bitcoin declined below the $80,000 level, with both Bitcoin and Ethereum ETF products recording net outflows during the week. Corporate treasury holder strategy was reported to be evaluating additional Bitcoin purchases, though no acquisition has been disclosed. Decentralized exchange Hyperliquid recorded elevated trading volumes, with activity concentrated in oil-linked perpetual futures contracts and a newly listed SpaceX pre-IPO equity contract. The volume increase reflects growing trader engagement with non-crypto derivative instruments on the platform. Local reports indicate Iran is exploring Bitcoin-based insurance mechanisms for Strait of Hormuz shipping operations, potentially replacing traditional payment and coverage systems. The development reflects regional interest in cryptocurrency infrastructure as an alternative to conventional financial networks amid ongoing geopolitical tensions. Fundstrat analyst Tom Lee published commentary identifying an inverse relationship between Ethereum and oil prices, noting the correlation has reached historically elevated levels. The analysis suggests Ethereum price movements have shown opposing directional behavior to oil during the current period of elevated energy costs. Japanese financial institutions SBI and Rakuten launched cryptocurrency trust products, with reports indicating 11 additional Japanese brokerages are evaluating retail digital asset market entry. The developments reflect continued institutional expansion of regulated crypto product offerings in Japan following recent tax reform progress. Looking at this morning's price action as of 9:50 Central European Time, gains are minimal while losses are severe. Hyperliquid up 5.16%, Zcash adding 1.66%, and Tron gaining just 0.14%. Limited upside concentrated in 3 protocols with negligible participation elsewhere. On the downside, selling pressure is substantial. Babylon down 14.08%, Bitcoin Cash off 12.25%, and Energy Web token declining 8.21%. Double-digit losses in meme tokens and payment-focused chains, with high single-digit weakness in energy infrastructure protocols, with downside dramatically outpacing the minimal gains. The Crypto Fear and Greed Index declines to 39, dropping 10 points from yesterday's 49 and falling back into fear territory for the first time since early April. The sharp deterioration reflects the combination of ceasefire fragility, rising energy prices, Bitcoin declining below $80,000, and today's severe selling pressure with double-digit losses dominating minimal gains. Sentiment has retraced from the brief greed reading of 61 on April 22nd all the way back to fear, unwinding nearly the entire recovery that pushed the index from the 28 low through neutral and briefly into greed over the past month. The 22-point decline from the recent 49 to 51 consolidation range represents a significant psychological shift in a short period.